and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Vishakha Thakur.
After several days of nosediving, Bitcoin's price soared by roughly $2,000 after the Fed's refusal to increase the interest rate. The market had previously priced in some chance of an interest rate hike, which appears to be off the table, at least for now.
So meanwhile, exchange-traded funds that track spot Bitcoin in the US have had historic net outflows, while BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust saw its first outflow day ever. And according to Farside investors, $36.9 million left BlackRock's Bitcoin fund on May 1, and there were outflows of $526.8 million from 9 other Bitcoin ETFs.
So you can't talk about Bitcoin and not mention MicroStrategy. Well, MicroStrategy raised over $1.5 billion in the first quarter and used the proceeds to acquire an additional 25,250 Bitcoins and now owns 214,400 BTC worth around $13.6 billion.
Wow, that's a huge number. The software company achieved double-digit subscription services revenue growth in the first quarter as it moved its business to the cloud, the report said. Still, it reported a net operating loss of $53.1 million after taking a digital asset impairment charge of $191.6 million, the company said in a press release.
Moving on to some positive development interlinking Solana and Bitcoin ecosystems. Solana to Bitcoin cross-chain bridge Zeus network will launch its Zeus program library that connects the two ecosystems by Q3 of 2024.
Yes, ZPL is a collection of Solana virtual machine tools that let programmers power transactions across various blockchains and include native Solana support into decentralized apps. So developers want to add Bitcoin, runes and ordinals dubbed RuneX and ZodX respectively to the list of ZPL-supported assets on Solana.
So now moving on to the NFT sector, where sales of non-fungible tokens have declined by over 38% in the past 30 days. Compared to the previous month, NFTs minted on the Bitcoin blockchain have dominated, accounting for more than 44% of sales. Statistics from the last 30 days reveal that 4 of the top 5 best-selling NFT collections all stem from the Bitcoin blockchain.
And Bitcoin continues to advance in the realm of NFTs, having outperformed 24 unique blockchain networks over the past 30 days, including Ethereum. According to data by cryptoslam.io, Bitcoin-based NFTs have amassed $3.43 billion in total sales, positioning Bitcoin in 4th place behind Ethereum, Solana, and Ronin.
Interestingly, Bitcoin is getting closer to overtaking Ronin's all-time sales figure of $4.26 billion. From March 27 to April 27, 2024, Bitcoin logged $457.6 million in NFT sales. In the past 30 days, 4 of the 5 highest-selling NFT collections were from the Bitcoin blockchain.
Moving on to updates about Trump's NFTs, the purchasers of Mugshot Edition NFTs from the collection that uses former President Donald Trump's image were provided with a bonus of an extra product. Not only that, NFT INT LLC verified the deliverables under the contract, which stated that Bitcoin ordinals would be part of the deal.
The company finally disclosed that the Bitcoin Ordinals bonus was part of a promo that was only applicable for some purchases. For example, anyone who bought 100 NFTs from the Mugshot edition could soon become the owner of this uncommon digital asset. The inscription process for these ordinals implements alpha rare satoshis, which is basically a way that improves the uniqueness of these ordinals.
So after having dealt with the November 2022 launch, the Mugshot Edition came. It gave away lots of freebies such as dinner parties held with Trump and the trading card that contained the tiniest bit of his suit fabric.
Moving on, the Metaverse market is poised for unprecedented growth, with projections estimating a valuation of over $74 billion by year-end 2024.
And institutions like IIT Madras are leading the charge in shaping its governance, as evidenced by the initiation of Metaverse India policy and standards through its Experiential Technology Innovation Center or XTIC unit.
Well, this initiative aims to address technical and ethical considerations, ensuring safe and advanced utilization of metaverse technologies in industrial contexts.
Yes, the XTIC has established a dedicated committee to conduct thorough research on predictable use cases and loopholes in the current metaverse ecosystem, with a focus on enhancing safety and advancing standards.
Meanwhile, an Emoca brand's strategic partnership with Opal Protocol seeks to establish an inclusive metaverse within the Bitcoin ecosystem.
Well, that's quite interesting, as the company will use the Opal Protocol to create the world's largest Web3 ecosystem, including gaming, DeFi, entertainment, education, and culture.
Well, Opal is a Bitcoin metaverse ecosystem and protocol that aims to establish a Bitcoin-based metaverse network.
And interestingly, this endeavor is supported by the BLIF token and is fueled by the recent launch of NFTs via ordinals on Bitcoin.
Absolutely. The BLIF token will function as the rune token for the Opal protocol, enabling a truly digital life in the Bitcoin and broader areas.
Furthermore, this will turn Bitcoin from a mere store of value to a comprehensive store of culture for the Web3 era.
And not to forget, Yuga Labs plans to launch a new metaverse venture through its subsidiary firm Moonbirds, which further diversifies the immersive digital experience available to users.
And now let's listen in to Mr. Russell Bundy for his views on how businesses can utilize all aspects of Web3, such as NFTs, blockchain, and crypto, to create unique virtual experiences.
I think Web3 creates many sort of unique experiences, right? So, for example, sort of the NFTs use case, right, allows you to have, allows businesses to sell sort of exclusive content, experiences, play to earn, reward games, like if you've got a gaming company, and also, the blockchain technology allows like these different sort of assets to be either owned or transacted like instantly through the Web3 technology. So I think Web3 like experience-wise is going to be one sort of key point. And another factor as well is also the cryptocurrency, right? As in, like, cryptocurrency can be instantly transactioned within less than a millisecond, and the fast kind of transaction between two different types of cryptocurrency, or just the instantaneous of how quick it goes through, quicker than like the traditional mechanisms, for example, of pounds, dollars, and euros. I think also that's going to also be a kind of like a key push.
And now let's dive into the world of Web3 gaming. Apparently, blockchain gaming is seen as a hot narrative in crypto for 2024 by different industry players such as Binance and CoinGecko. According to D-Labs and CoinGecko, the total market cap of blockchain gaming tokens is over $18.6 billion.
This year, huge tokens have been dropping left and right so far in 2024, and gaming projects are getting in on the excitement. Tokens tied to games and networks have been among this year's biggest launches as the broader crypto market rebounds and airdrops accelerate.
Well, the gaming tokens that have made waves this year, ranked by peak market cap per CoinGecko, include Pixel, Saga, and Portal.
Not only have we seen a lot of increase in gaming tokens, but we have seen a lot of mainstream partnerships and adoption. For instance, Rumble Kong League, an upcoming NFT-driven basketball game built on the Avalanche blockchain, announced a collaboration with leading sports drink brand Gatorade, and then the famous Supercell Studios investing in a Web3 game, Games for a Living. Surely, the Web3 gaming industry is picking up steam, just like the summers this season.
Exactly. And lastly, let's have a look at an interesting development in the world of blockchain. The Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, has come up with a new way to conduct elections. In a groundbreaking move towards democratic innovation, IIT Madras used blockchain technology for its student elections.
Spearheaded by the WebOps and Blockchain Club at the Center for Innovation, this initiative has not only transformed student governance but has also blossomed into a startup venture, as per a report by the Times of India.
So, although the successful deployment of blockchain technology in the IIT Madras Student Legislative Council election has earned a prestigious spot in the India Book of Records.
Meanwhile, Pantera Capital has invested an undisclosed amount in the open network. It is the crypto-focused venture capital firm's latest investment in TON and motivated by its connection to the Telegram messaging service, the company said.
Well, Telegram's decision in April to incorporate TON gives TON potential to become one of the largest crypto networks, and Pantera said in a long and enthusiastic blog post on its website. Telegram, with its 900 million monthly users and 36.7 million monthly downloads, is well positioned to bring crypto to the world because of its shared Web3 ethos.
In a laundry list of TON's virtues, Pantera said the architecture of the TON blockchain provides performance and scalability that compares favorably with leading blockchains, and its wallet offers high utility with a simple interface.
Well, that's all in this episode of Weekly Wrap. For more such updates, do log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.
And this is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Thanks for watching.